but I can confidently say that it was worth every penny. The 1Love Sauna Dome Luxor XL is amazing. First of all, it has helped me with my restless leg pain and neck pain immensely. I have tried various methods to alleviate these pains, but nothing has worked as effectively as this sauna. The infrared technology used in this sauna is top-notch. It emits zero EMF, which means it's safe to use without worrying about any harmful radiation. The extra-large size of the sauna is a great feature. It allows for more room to move around and stretch, making the experience even more comfortable and enjoyable.
Oh my God.
One of the standout features of this sauna is the infrared mat. It provides additional heat and helps with the healing process. The extra germanium and tourmaline stones in the mat are a great addition and enhance the overall experience. The quality and construction of this sauna are excellent. It is well built and durable, ensuring that it will last for a long time. I did encounter a minor issue with two of the cords separating from the rubber cover, but the seller was incredibly responsive and provided a quick solution. Their customer service is exceptional and deserves praise. Using this sauna on a consistent basis has been truly transformative for me. The healing that occurs while using it is remarkable. The feeling of sweating profusely during and after using the sauna is surprisingly pleasant and leaves me feeling lighter. The sauna has also alleviated the pain I used to feel before using it. It provides a calm and peaceful sensation every time I use it. It truly is a godsend. I have to mention that the dome sections can be quite heavy, especially if you are weakened in any way. It might be necessary to have someone help you put it together. Additionally, the stones can get really hot, so using a towel on top of the mat is advisable. Moving around too much inside the dome after it is heated up for a while can also be a bit risky. These are minor inconveniences for me and don't affect my overall opinion of the sauna. I honestly believe that this sauna should be a household essential, just like a sink or a bathroom. The benefits it provides for both physical and mental health are undeniable. If you've been contemplating whether or not to purchase this sauna, I urge you to go for it. Your body will thank you. I only wish it was available to more people because I truly believe everyone would benefit from using it. Overall, I am extremely satisfied with my purchase. The 1Love Sauna Dome Luxor XL has exceeded my expectations in every way. It has made a significant difference in my overall well-being and I couldn't be happier with it. Click on the link below to see price.